guys, it's Lucas here. So, welcome to Lucas Hotel. He made it up. He loved it. So we went to Island Park.
And by the way, guys, I'm trying to chop this bench off.
It's a branch, not a bench. And we came upon this nature. I was climbing a tree and I found this thingy. So Ruckus thought he wanted to make a hotel. So what he done is he got a stone. He thinks it's iron. Ruckus, where did the iron go?
Okay, let me tell you.
It looks nothing like iron, but
This is where the iron is.
where?
Here.
This is iron. This is the iron.
Lucas,
What?
we need to clean this bench. Look at it.
Yesterday I made it as pale as it can. And guess what you did? Messed it up. Okay, are you ready to see
Yeah.
how? Look at this beautiful nature. Look at this. I wonder where the ducks are. It looks so literally nice. And there's a little waterfall. See that? Can you see that, guys? See that? Yep, that's a waterfall. Small little tiny waterfall. That's our hotel. Right there. So yeah. Wow. And this over here is we call it a fish area. Because we fish. Where'd it go? Huh? That's so strange. Huh? A few minutes ago, we could walk here. What?
Is it water or something?
We were over here. And I'm what is that? See that thing? It's a white thingy, isn't it, Ruckus?
Yeah, and I can see a purple thing too.
Yeah, which is a water bottle stuck in there, and I don't know why. There's a little bee on the rock. And our secret entrance to the hotel is over here. Okay, guys, wait, I just need to do something real quick. Okay, so, this is what it looks like. And this is a little hill where you can pick flowers and everything. You can have a race going. Up here, it's actually very nice up here. Where a lot of houses are and everything. And there's a puppy, some other flowers, another puppy. And what is that? That looks like a seatbelt from a car. What is that thing here? That's a close bird. And whenever you go down, you need to run. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, and how to get to hotel room. So we need to go like this. Up here. And as you know, guys, I am a perfect tree climber. So I wanted to be up here, which is a very nice view of the river of Island Park. If you want to know where this is,
whoa, this
it's
is some gold.
That's not gold. It is in Northern Ireland, Newcastle, Island Park, which It also has a play park near to it, but we mostly like to go over here on this. So in Northern Ireland.